4C hair, the curliest hair type possible. So talking about the worst types of hair, and in that video I put 4C as the worst type of hair. But I didn't mean as the worst hair. I was talking about the worst hair to take care of, manage, or style. To clear things up, I am not half black, I am not light skinned, I am not mixed. I am full Arab, 100%.
Bombastic side eye. There's a lot to unpack here, okay? All right. First of all, you said you're not mixed, you're not black, but you're Arab. Arab is not a race. It's closer to ethnicity, but okay. So you're a non-black person telling black women and black men if they have 4C hair that they should shave their head bald because they're the worst hair type. That's what you're saying, okay. Then you proceed to say 4C hair is the most unmanageable hair type. It's the hardest hair type. It has the most shrinkage. Yo. Not everyone with 4C hair has the same amount of shrinkage. It depends on their personal hair. Like what? Like, I'm really sorry about the messages you're getting, but like, you gotta realize once you put something out there on the internet, even if it's for rage bait, it's forever, okay?